name is Joe. I have like 3 kids and I work in a button factory.
Fine, just embarrass yourself on YouTube like I care. It is raining so hard. Gee whiz. I don't even know if you can hear me. I want to be out here with it. I want to say it out here too, like, it makes a huge thunder noise. Like, sound wasn't loud enough. We gotta wait. Up. I just saw light, which means one's gonna. There's another light. One's gonna happen soon. A few are gonna happen. I'm waiting for it. Here goes. It's not coming! Dude, the gutter. I'd show you, but I'm gonna get wet. Oh, man. Yeah, that one sounded cool. I don't even know if you heard it that well. That's what I was waiting for. That's what I was waiting for. That's what I was waiting for, Lucy. That's what I was waiting for. She doesn't know. She doesn't care. She doesn't care about me. So my mom got the sweet nook with the cool thing about it. So now you can watch our videos anywhere.
You know who Zania looks like?
Your mom. Okay, right now outside, I overheard my mom. It looks really creepy out. It's like yellow. But it's pouring and I'm getting wet just standing here. Look at the gutter. That is craziness. If I had like a cover for this, I'd go running out there, but I don't. If I had a cover for this camera, I'd do it. I don't know if you can hear me, but here goes nothing. Jeez. Oh. It's cold. This is not smart. It's cold. Soaked. That was cold. But I was only out there for like 5 minutes. I'm soaked. It's freezing out there. Why can't rain be like super warm? That'd be so cool if it was like hot water. But no, it's like cold water and it's freezing out there. It makes me cold and fun stuff. Well, that was cold and possibly the only highlight in this video. Look how yellow it is. You can't even see it, but it's extremely yellow now, and it is slowing down right when I come in. But that's why I went out there beforehand. But yeah, that was cold and probably the only highlight in this whole video. And it's probably what the title is right above, something that has to do with that. Because I didn't really do anything today. Again.
Okay, go. Alright guys, I'm gonna go to bed now. I hope you guys had a good day. And that's for laughing. One more time. We get this. Okay guys, I'm gonna go to bed now. Hope you guys.
He's trying it, but he's failing, so. Loser. Wow! I didn't mean like that.
I love you.
Yeah, don't even do that. I know you would do that too. Mom,